No, I'm the boomer. Why would you spawn with the boomer?
I'm teammate.
Motherfucker.
I was a smoker. I got no bullshit from it. Like I was 10 miles back, tonguing
10 miles back.
10 miles back, tonguing somebody.
Hey, look, man. Hey. Let's see if somebody comes in here.
What? Fuck?
Someone came in. Oh, fuck. Front side.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Fuck that.
Panda, what are you doing?
I couldn't.
Don't die.
Nothing.
Yuri, don't die.
I'm not. What? What?
Don't die.
I'm just gonna hold the spitter the whole time.
Don't die, Yuri.
This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hold
Yuri,
the spitter.
Don't die, Yuri.
Oh, it's too much pressure for this.
Don't die, Yuri.
I missed it.
Go, Hanka!
Don't die, Yuri. Damn it, Yuri. Oh my god, man.
Oh shit! Schooling and chef? Damn.
And who?
You guys are stuck back here.
Yeah, get him, whiskey. One more. Nice, good job. Now watch the pistol chip, yeah.
Nice, boom.
Nice. Here, you ready? Let's go.
I'm about to just kill seekers.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Oh yes.
Jesus Christ. I love how excited you're.
Oh my god, they're gonna come kill me. Oh my god. There it goes. God damn it.
And I was like, wait.
all that the whole time.
I
Just
was like,
waiting.
wait, what do you mean they're gonna
She's
kill
on
you?
second pass. Oh my god.
Oh. She has to go in.
Yes, she does.
You're...
Oh, I'm a jockey. Oh, we gotta go. 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 What y'all doing? Oh, shit! Stoned! Oh! Good job, Whiskey.
Yeah, good thing.
I love how I just had to make sounds and she's like, okay, I'm coming.
Yuri's excited. That must mean I'm doing something right. We could probably... Yeah, we could probably hit this.
Alright, that's fine. Just be ready.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. Why couldn't I get a...
Help me! Help her!
Hey, Jockey, how did you get that spawn in there?
It was so fast. It was a fast ass spawn.
Okay, yeah, I wasn't clicking. Cause he got there quick as fuck when, like...
It was literally like when he baited it. That's what he did. He baited.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm a smoker again.
Wait, what happened?
Oh, I was about to pull that dick. Oh, reflector.
Pull that dick.
I'm gonna pull that dick. All right.
Pull it.
Hurry the fuck up, what the fuck happened to you?
I said, what the fuck happened?
Oh my lord.
Gotta love Left 4 Dead, right? I'm loading back in. I don't know if you paused or not, but I'm loading.
Are you loading this time?
I mean, I might be. I don't really know.
Hmm.
I mean, you never know. I mean, I hope I'm loading. Still stuck at halfway, but...
Oh no, that sounds like last time.
Yeah.
That sounds like last time, yeah.
that does sound like...
We needed to redo this shit again.
It sounds like I do.
Right when you said halfway, and I was like, huh.
Exactly.
Put it to infinity.
It's more like just like a quarter left.
You know, it's like, you know, just a little bit. just a little bit more. No biggie. I'm only at 2%.
Don't unpause. I'll be right back.
Okay.
No.
Seekers goes, oh my god, I hate you forever. 5 ever. And then he's like, you killed me. I was like, lol. I was like, Whiskey is badass. She protected me with her titties.
So wrong.
Okay, I'm back.
Welcome back.
You can unpause whenever I'm...
Yep. Wait, Panda, are you here?
Yeah.
Alright. Come here, Reflector. Fuck me! Fuck! Yeah! Fuck you, Reflector. Fuck you, Reflector. Yeah. Oh, you little pussy bitch. Get back over here. Get back over here.
The fuck? Why am I stuck in fucking Ghost?
Look at this BMX.
Oh, yes. Hey, you should probably punch him.
Oh yeah.
Never mind, he died. He died.
He did?
He died. Nice, whiskey.
Yeah, I contributed with 0 points.
This shitty stone has 0 points.
That just means I'm better than number 1. It just means I'm better than number 1, guys. Don't listen to this.